This is a review video of the Bosch washing machine 2021 model after 3 months of using. You might have seen the demo of this machine in my last video. If you haven't, check the link in the description box below. Basically, there are two types of loads, half load and full load. Since this is an 8 kg machine, we can put 8 pairs of clothes for full load and 60 ml of washing liquid, and for half load, it's 4 pairs of clothes and 30 ml of washing liquid. Among all the programs available, I've been using these 4 programs frequently, which I would like to explain in this video. The very first one is the cotton program, which is automatically set to 40 degrees. I use this program to wash pillow covers, bed sheets, table covers and curtains. The next program, which I frequently use, is the mix load, where the temperature is also automatically set to 40 degrees and it runs for 45 minutes. In this, we can put around 8 dresses or 4 pairs. The other program which I use is the shirts program, which runs for 1 hour and 5 minutes and is automatically set to 40 degrees. We can put around 15 shirts or 8 pairs. The last program I've used is the jeans or the dark wash program, which runs for 1 hour and 4 minutes and is automatically set to 40 degrees. We can put around 8 jeans. Different temperatures can be used, and if you wish to use the cold water, even that is available. Cold water is indicated by a snowflake. I've been using Ariel Matic front load liquid detergent. This compartment is used for the liquid detergent. During rainy or gloomy days, fabric conditioner like Comfort can be used in this compartment. And in this compartment, descaling powder can be used once in 6 months. I've put few clothes inside and I'm using the jeans and dark wash program. I'll change the temperature to cold water settings and press the start button. Since it is 1400 rpm, because of more speed, it hardly takes around 2 hours to dry completely under the sunlight.